With a Huntington address, located right between Barboursville and Huntington is 3353 Brynmere Drive. Single floor plan home, brick, fireplace. You've got to see what it looks like inside. Nestled in a serene neighborhood, this charming 4-bedroom, 2-bath home offers a perfect blend of comfort and convenience. As you step inside, you're greeted by a cozy fireplace that anchors the living room, creating a warm and inviting atmosphere. The home features a well-designed layout, ensuring a seamless flow between spaces. The heart of this home is undoubtedly the sunroom, providing a tranquil space filled with natural light, ideal for relaxation or entertaining. Each of the 4 bedrooms is spacious and well appointed, offering ample space for family and guests. The property boasts a large fenced yard offering privacy and plenty of room for outdoor activities. Don't miss this opportunity to make 3353 Brynmere Drive your new home, where memories await to be made. Representation matters. I would love to show you this home at 3353 Brynmere Drive in Huntington.